want to lubricate this rear derailleur. I'm using some tri-flow lightweight oil. And the derailleur pivots right here. It moves, this part of it moves up and down, and it pivots here too. So I'm gonna, just a little bit of oil here, here, there, and then put some here. Hard to get that in there. And I'm going to put a little bit on these gears too. I actually put it up here, and then it should run down. Oh yeah, whoops, there, strip it out. Run down to the point where that runs, and then I'm going to put some up. Whoops, on the other gear. Oh. I'm going to shift it through the gears. It's working good. Work that into those smaller gears, and that should do it. I need to get a rag and wipe off that excess, but easy to do. Be sure and check out my other videos.